Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is Swapna here. Hope you all are having a great time. So are you guys ready for this week's tutorial? And this one is a really special one, and we'll be painting this beautiful art decor especially for this Valentine's Day. So sit back, enjoy and get ready to create something beautiful for someone special.
So are you guys ready to create this beautiful artwork? I've used solvent-based glass colors of various brands like Camel, Glass Art and Pebeo. You can feel free to use any branded glass paints according to the availability at your place. And this is a hand-drawn design. If you wish to get this design, please feel free to email me and I can send across a soft copy of this design. And these will be the glass liners that I'll be using. I can add all the details about the materials and paints that I'll be using for this painting in the description box below. So let's get started. I've already drawn this design on a paper of A5 size and now I need to transfer this onto the OHP sheet. I'll be using this glass liner from Pebeo. I'm using this OHP sheet or acrylic sheet since it's much easier to handle and easy for storage as well. You can feel free to use glass. Here I am first finishing this lettering part and then moving on to the floral design outside. As you can see, the air bubbles inside this glass liner is giving me a hard time. So I let this dry and then remove that portion. I'm trying to align that using a toothpick and finishing off this rest of this floral design. Now the design is completely dried and I can start adding the paint. According to your preference, you can choose the colors. Here I am starting with adding this bright crimson shade from the brand Camel. Now I have almost filled the colors and most of the floral portion. I let it dry thoroughly. Now I'm taking the reverse side of the painting and I'm using this black acrylic paint, and using a sponge I'm dabbing the paint across all over the background of the painting. Using a Q-tip, I'm wiping off the excess paint that has come to the inside portion of this painting frame. Now let the paint dry thoroughly. Once it's dried, it's ready for framing, and this will be the background that I'll be keeping. This is an off-white burlap cloth. Now I need to add few more details in the design. The first one is giving a bold highlight or border for this lettering part. For that, I'm using this black liner and adding few dots throughout the borders and one line inside. Using a copper liner from the brand Marabu Glass Art, I'm also adding a border throughout the heart shape. After this, I'll add few more details in the floral design inside. That's how gorgeous our painting is looking after adding all the details using the glass liners. So in order to check the finished look, I'm using this mock frame of A5 size which I've bought from Home Center, and this is how I add the burlap cloth as background. And that's how we finish this beautiful wall decor artwork. It's always a great feeling to give someone special by something handmade by you. So do give it a try and you're going to love this process. I hope this tutorial was informative for you and hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. Also, if you guys enjoy watching similar videos, please consider joining the small creative family by pressing that subscribe button.
So that's it for today, guys. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to give it a try. You'll definitely enjoy the process of creating this beautiful wall decor, and gift this one for someone special, and enjoy your Valentine's Day. See you next time. Bye.